Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply protect your privacy and block spam calls on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone iPad. So I'm going to click on my phone iPad right here. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top. That's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to blocked numbers. It's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply turn this particular toggle on. So click on that toggle, and it's as simple as that. Once you turn this on, it simply means that you will not be able to receive spam calls from anybody on Android. So once you turn this on, it simply means that you have stopped or blocked spam calls on your phone. Another way to block spam calls on your phone is to head over to your apps on your phone, and it's to head over to your phone settings again. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Then from your phone setting, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, your search settings. So simply click on that. And right here, what you need to do is to type in permission manager. Then click on search. Then you have your permission manager privacy. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on permission manager. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on call logs. So from call logs, you have all apps that have access to your phone call logs. So right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and review some of the apps that you don't want them to have access to your call log. Like for instance, this Telegram right here, I'm going to simply click on it. And then what I'm going to do is to simply deny Telegram to have access to my call log. Then you can simply go back again. And this time around, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right there and go to phone. So under the phone section, you have all apps that have permission to your phone calls. So right here, you need to simply scroll down and review some of these apps right here and remove them and deny them from having access to your call. So for you to do that, I'm going to simply select Telegram again. Then I'm going to simply deny and go back. Then you can go on and check some of the apps right here that have access to your contact. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply protect your privacy and block spam calls on Android. So it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.